Hi guys, welcome back. We are about to do the requirements of the science adventure for super science adventure for Cub Scouts for a bear. So I have the book, and what we're going to do is static electricity. So what you are supposed to do is rub things on a balloon to see how much static electricity it has, if it has a static electricity or if it doesn't. So they give you examples of what you should do, and we have them all here. We have tissue paper, aluminum foil, tissue paper, cardboard scrap. I just took the top off the tissue box. Yarn or string. So I have a string, and then I also have yarn because what I do not have is a pom pom, but that's okay. A chenille stem, which I think they mean a pipe cleaner, so that's what we're going to use. Ribbon, cloth, just have a rag here, foam, and a coin, shiny penny. So we're going to blow up this balloon and start testing. Friends, Logan is the Cub Scout, not me. It is up to you to make a prediction.
Wait, what do I even do?
So you need to make that have some static electricity. So how do you do that? What did you used to rub it on your head? Give it some static electricity?
But come back in the camera.
Okay. Or you know what? It says on me. Okay. I was going to get a blanket because it says you can use a blanket or sweater. Okay.
Okay, so I got.
Ah! Okay.
Now what do I do?
So now you predict which will stick to the balloon.
It just hit me.
The tissue paper will stick to the balloon.
No.
No.
Let's try.
Well, okay. Let's cut off a piece of that. And you know what? I'm going to get.
Wait.
Oh, it did.
And I said.
You said no. The result is yes. Okay. And then
Well,
the next
now
thing.
I can't get this.
Yeah. Let's take this out.
Okay. Okay, now let's.
Okay. Predict aluminum foil. Aluminum
I'm
foil.
gonna say yes. Oh!
That's good. Okay. Whoop. Okay, so the next one is a cardboard scrap. What do you think? Yes or no?
Say no.
No. Okay.
Cardboard scrap. I'm gonna say no, so let's.
No.
Wait.
No.
No. So my prediction was right.
Paper scrap.
Oh, wait.
So it's still staticky. It's sticking to you. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's holding on to the paper.
But I didn't say
Oh,
it.
you didn't say it. Oh. Oops.
Let's just say.
We'll say yes. Oops.
We
Okay,
did
predict.
it wrong.
Predict.
Sorry,
I know. That one wasn't a good experiment. So what about this string?
I'm gonna say yeah.
I'm gonna say yes. Okay, and then how about we're gonna say yarn because we don't have a pom pom. What about that? Yes or no?
No.
No. Okay, what about pipe cleaner?
No.
No.
I'm gonna say like no for
Ribbon?
yes.
Yes. What about cloth?
No.
No. What about foam?
Yes.
And finally, a coin?
No.
No. Okay.
Actually, yeah.
Okay. So now we are back to string. You said yes.
Let's try this.
Should we rub it again?
Yeah.
Okay. Rub, rub, rub. Oh, I can hear it. It's crackling. So let's try string.
Okay. Let's try.
Oh, yeah. No.
Wait.
I thought it was.
Wait, you can't put it on.
Okay.
I was. Okay.
No.
I was wrong, so.
Okay, so how about.
Well,
Yeah.
I guess now I don't need to hold it.
How about.
Look, I can
yarn?
move it with. Oh, yeah.
Yes.
I was wrong. I was wrong with the.
Okay.
It just won't. Can I get it off? That was hard to get off.
Okay, so how about this one? Pipe cleaner.
I guess
Still
it's
holding on.
putting on this side.
No.
No. Turn this.
Whoa, no.
No, don't write it
Okay.
down yet because you dropped it on.
Okay.
Okay.
Now,
No.
a cloth. This is kind of a heavy cloth, so why don't
Yeah,
you just put it on here? Hold it. No.
No. I knew that.
Foam, what do you think? Oh, you already said yes. Hold it up. Yes, it is staying on there by itself.
And now is it?
The queen.
Okay, everybody. 3, 2, 1.
No.
See you guys in part 2. Well, then, guys, I guess, like the video, so you don't miss it.
Okay.
Yeah, right there. Subscribe and yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Bye bye.
Why
Okay.
don't you say what we're going to do?
So, first of all, let's move all this stuff out of the way
Okay.
so you can actually see me. If you're wondering why we have this stuff, it's because we are gonna be doing the second part to the sinker float. I'm at the super science thing, whatever it is. So, first of all, the things you need. 1 tablespoon, 1, 2, 3 eggs.
Fresh eggs. As in, not boiled eggs.
We got 1, 2, 3 glasses of water, and does it need to be cold?
It does not need to be cold. They just all need to be about the same amount.
Okay.
So there doesn't
Okay,
have to be
okay.
measured, just the same amount.
Need some, what does that even say?
Iodized.
Iodized sugar.
Salt.
I meant salt. Then you need some sugar, not the powdered kind. So what do you do?
These cups are filled with the same amount of water,
Okay.
and we're using just glass cups just so you can see through them. And that is the first instruction. It says fill all 3 cups half full with water, and it says stir the salt in the first cup and the sugar in the second cup. Leave the third cup alone. So 2 tablespoons of salt and 2 tablespoons of sugar. So why don't you get out 2 tablespoons of salt and pour it in the first glass.
2 tablespoons of salt coming
Yes.
right up. Okay, so let's roll. More. Okay, this is enough.
Okay, that's one.
Oh my god.
We'll stir it up after you put in the second one.
Salt. Now you need to stir it.
Yep, here's a spoon.
I
Stir
was
it up.
basically trying to get you to give me some. I wonder if they can actually see me go over to. Ah!
Careful. What do you think will happen when you put the egg in the salt? We need to write down your prediction.
I think that it will float like a boat.
Float like a boat. Okay.
I didn't think you were gonna actually add like a boat part.
Okay, so we will now add, and I'm just putting this on the piece of paper that I labeled salt. So here is number 2 with sugar, 2 tablespoons of sugar.
We'll clean that up later.
Yeah.
One tablespoon sugar. Two tablespoons sugar.
And what do you think will happen with the sugar?
It's gonna sink. It's hard to make contour.
Yeah. Okay. So, and here's the sugar, and then the empty one. What do you think will happen with the empty one?
It will float.
Float.
Float like a boat, I guess.
Okay. We have your predictions. And number 1,
I'm
salt.
hopping on.
Water. Use a spoon and gently lower it in.
Okay, everybody.
And we have the prediction of float like a boat. And it,
Sing.
wait. Well, is it all the way in the bottom?
Boats don't.
Yeah,
Well, it's at the bottom.
it's at the bottom. Okay, well,
We'll count that as sink.
sink. Well, don't take it out. Leave it in. And then, because we're going to compare to sugar.
This is sugar?
Yep.
It sink. It
Sink, sink, sink. And finally, nothing.
If
Well, that sank.
okay. I almost feel like the
I feel
people
like-
who made these books knew.
Well, I think something is supposed to be different.
Actually, yeah. I feel like.
Well, what?
Wait, they have brown eggs.
Well, that's
Does
just a
that
fresh
matter?
egg.
Well, on all of them, it looks the same. Okay, guys. I don't know what is going on.
I think the salt one is floating a little bit.
No, none of them are floating. Okay, guys, so sorry that we didn't film behind the scenes of of part 1 of this super science, but we just got done with it. I almost feel like one of these should have floated. Well, here's the blank one, I'm assuming.
Yep.
Here's the sugar one, and here's the salt one. Well, I am actually getting hungry, and I am gonna have some pizza for dinner. We still haven't gotten to part 3 of the super science thing. So I think we might end up doing that after dinner. I'm not sure. But have all these balloons and stuff. Not from not from part 1 of this, but because of this. It's somebody's birthday exactly tomorrow. Not gonna show you the calendar though. Up there, you can see me holding a little deer, barely. It's actually a doe. I think, is it doe, baby deer?
Yes.
Okay. That reminds me of one of the homophones I did in class. That was doe and doe. Because doe as in the deer. And then dough as in like dough like pizza dough and cooking dough basically. And why do you have a knife in your hand?
Because I had to cut open the onion bag.
Anyways, so yeah. We'll see you in the next challenges. Okay, I sort of lied about see you at the next challenge. It's not the next challenge yet, but I just want to start vlogging again. Just get over. This is so far what it looks like outside. The reason why there's all this grass out here is because we have a four-wheeler, so we like to go four-wheeling in the snow, and right after that, since it's starting to get warm, grass shows. Hello. Okay, this is where before we started, of course, the part 3. So what are we even doing for Mama?
This is color morphing. Do a color morphing investigation. Explain what you've learned. This is going to be food coloring, oil, and right now we're doing the color morphing. So,
I know.
Step 1, I did because it's fill the jar or vase halfway with water. So we did that. Why don't you go ahead with the second step?
3 drops of red and blue. So.
Okay, I'm just gonna do the oil, which is 2 tablespoons of oil.
Oh, I need you real quick. Okay, now we need red.
Oh, but we don't have red.
1, 2,
3. And so you have blue, you have green. Okay, so here's a spoon, mix it up.
Doesn't really mix.
Okay, so then it doesn't mix. And then pour this mixture slowly into the water and see what happens.
Oh my gosh. It's all green.
It mixed in the water.
Oh my gosh.
That's
How
pretty
did
cool.
it do that? Wow.
So it says, since food coloring is water-based, it will separate from the oil and float through the water in amazing color morphs. Pretty cool. And then you can see the oil is kind of sitting on top.
Yes, this. Oh wait.
Oh, I see. It's kind
Wait,
of.
maybe if I mix in here.
Okay.
Will that do anything? It says like super thick. No.
So yeah, I guess it will separate eventually. Again.
Wow. This is cool.
Yeah. If we had better colors, we could see probably different things, but cool.
Hello.
Hello.
We are back for experiment number 5.
4.
4?
Yeah,
Oh yeah, 4.
4.
We are doing a color layering thing.
Yep.
So
what do we have?
So right here, these monster trucks right here. They're not. It doesn't say to use them in the Cub Scout book, but I just wanted to do it a different way.
So,
So
what you do need is 6 glass cups or something that you can see through.
and the reason why there's only 5 right here is because the 6th one is behind the scenes, and
Yeah,
there's a reason.
Right, we'll bring it in after.
Yeah. We'll tell you about the 6th cup once we're done with these 5 cups. So,
Yes.
we have a lot of sugar.
Yep.
I don't even know that blew them out, and the ladder almost fell.
We also have
That scares me. We also have a few tablespoons here,
tablespoon,
and we got a spoon.
and then we will have water. Just
Yeah.
it says lukewarm water.
Nuke?
Luke, like not hot, not cold, just
Oh.
in between.
I didn't know what Luke means.
Well,
Fun fact, Luke means...
lukewarm means not hot, not cold, just in the middle.
Okay, well,
Okay.
take it. Anyways,
The first step is
put 5 cups in a row on the table. Well, in this case, we're on... Well, this isn't a table, but... Anyways, add 1 tablespoon of sugar to the first cup. So, let's do that.
okay.
I have some. So, the first cup is the Monster Truck Dragon's cup.
This one green.
Yep, this one is Dragon. Okay, so we're gonna need, can I put this?
Mm-hmm.
No. Okay, 1 tablespoon.
Okay.
Okay, then we're gonna put 2 tablespoons.
Yep.
This is King of the Hill Off-Road. He needs 2 tablespoons because he's number 2. Two tablespoons. then this is Hill Conqueror. He needs 3 tablespoons, right?
Yes. Okay, so this one's all
Okay,
set. That's 3.
3. So, now this is Jester.
Purple one.
Jester needs
4.
And so, 1 tablespoon. Sort of running out of sugar.
Oh, we can put more in.
I'm gonna set the cup down. Add that far into the mix yet.
Okay. Add 3 tablespoons of lukewarm water to each cup.
Okay.
Stir until most of the sugar dissolves. So now
We
we'll
need
get some water.
Get some water, please. Got some lukewarm.
Yep.
Okay. Just to let you know, guys, this might be a little bit messy if you're doing it at home.
Add 3 tablespoons of lukewarm water to each cup. Stir until most of the sugar dissolves.
Okay, so 3 tablespoons, right?
Yep, to the first 1 tablespoon cup.
1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons. 3 tablespoons.
Yep.
Okay, so Dragon's cup has 3 tablespoons of warm water in it. That's good.
Stir it.
Now I'm adding water to King of the Hill off-road. 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons. 3 tablespoons.
Okay.
Okay, now let's get some water for him. 1, 2, and 3.
Okay.
Okay.
And
Now
start
we
to
are adding some water to Jester number 4's. Don't worry, guys, I am counting just in my head. I'm not adding like a million tablespoons of water. Add a drop or 2 of food coloring to the first 4 cups. 1 color per cup. In the 5th cup, mix 2 colors. So let's add a drop or 2. So I'm just gonna add 2 drops.
Yeah.
1 drop, 2 drops. Okay, I
That's
added
fine.
3. Okay, so now let's add some yellow to King of the Hill off-road. 1, 2. Hill Conqueror. I'm adding a lot of ers because of how many ers there is. Okay, that was 2. Okay, so once they are all stirred up, take the 5th cup and pour half of its contents into the 6th cup, the one which is empty. Okay, so here's the 6th cup. Its monster truck is Sahara. This is Sahara. It's the maroon one I'm talking about, this one right here. He is number 6. Okay, so you need to pour half of it. Let's do 2 drops of red and 2 drops of blue.
Okay.
to try and make purple. 1, 2. Now that seems darker because it's just, no water. Okay, now why do I keep on dropping all my food coloring? Okay. Hopefully you guys at home don't drop all your stuff like I am. 1, 2. There we go. So now mix it together real quick.
It's not really mixing. It's kind of just clumping.
Okay. And now we need to pour half of Jester's cup into Sahara's. Need to pour half of Jester's into Sahara's. So Sahara. So this might not. Now it doesn't need to be exactly half, but we want to make it.
A little bit more.
Wait. Okay, so we just need a little bit. Don't put too much.
Hold the spoon.
Okay.
Bowl side up, which is this, inside the 6th cup. Slowly and gently pour half of the contents of the 4th cup into the spoon. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So, King Climbers. Okay, so King Climbers. Okay. Okay, so Dragon, go. Bye, Dragon. Okay, wait, Dragon, go. Bring your cup over. So, time for the reveal of Dragon's cup. This is it.
So Dragon started out as green, and then we added a kind of purple, which you can see on the bottom here.
So, see? It layered. Okay.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Well, do you want to add maybe that green to another one?
Ooh.
We can try that.
Well,
First we'll do a reveal.
Okay, so, King of the Hill Off-Road, come up. No, I meant with your cup. They never remember to bring their cup. Okay, so.
So this one's a little bit harder to see because we have like a reddish purple, but it is there.
It goes. Then we got a white
Yellow.
band.
Yeah.
Okay, King of the Hill Off-Road, go. Where even is Dragon? Oh, it's over there. Okay, Hill Conqueror. Now again, with your cup. I think so far, that Hill Conquerors is the best.
Yeah, you can see a little bit of purple, and then since it was blue, yeah. I think the best one is the last one.
You think?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because that's the most obvious.
Okay, so King Climber come up. King Climber does not have a cup because his is over there.
Yeah, his is the color that we used.
Yeah. So, King Climber, bye. Okay. So, Jester, bring your cup. Oh, wait. Jester, come up. Jester, bring your cup. Which is... Okay. Now, Jester's, I think, looks pretty good. So, it actually looks like one of those things, one of those candies where you get the stick, look at, this is like the sugar. Sticks. Yeah, I don't know the name, but
yeah.
We could maybe put a link.
We're not eating it.
I know.
Okay, so.
So Jester, bye-bye. Okay, now Sahara, you haven't really been shown that much, so come up. Except he didn't bring his cup, like all the rest. They always forget to bring their cup. Sahara, show us your cup. Now look,
So
this is the red
Mm-hmm.
from King Climbers, and then have the purple from Jesters.
Yes. So what we're going to do now, we're going to use that one,
Okay.
and then we'll try.
So now we are
To
going to
add.
use Dragon's mixture, and we're going to put some in to Sahara's. Then I have an idea. After. Okay, so look. So we're not going to show you the final reveal, but we need to bring. Okay, so let's get King of the Hill off road. Okay, so now we are going to add some of. Now we are. So let's actually add each of theirs into this one.
Okay.
So Sahara's is gonna. So now we're gonna add some of Hill Conqueror's stuff in.
I
Sahara,
usually use the other color, but.
we'll just keep on. We got it all. Okay, so apparently.
Let's
You
too
can't
close
really-
to green.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna. I
Number
don't.
4. Remember, we're doing the spoon.
Spoon, we need Spoonie. Come in. Yeah. So, Spoonies, why are you mixing it?
Just to get the sugar. I think the sugar is the key.
It's splashing on me.
I'm sorry. Okay.
Sahara's looking in.
Well,
Okay, so this is the result. It's not that good.
well, there's a couple good layers.
Now, I'm gonna add this. We don't really need to spoon it.
No.
Okay, now this, just to let you know, what we're doing right now, is not part of the experiment, but we are just adding it because we haven't done this before, and it dumped all over the camera. So now we are like this.
Thinking.
Okay, guys. Well, I mean, I'm just. Okay, guys.
The idea is adding sugar to the water, causing it to become denser as the sugar molecules take over the space. The more sugar you add, the denser the water becomes. That's why you can stack colored water as long as you pour gently.
So, that's pretty much it. I'd like to thank Dragon, of course,
Yeah.
for joining us. You want to come? Bye, Dragon.
Bye, Dragon.
Also Jester. He like to thank him for coming out here.
Thanks, Jester.
Bye, Jester. Of course, King Climber for letting us use his mixture.
Mm-hmm.
Bye, King Climber. Of course, Hill Conqueror. He's been pretty good. Bye. Logan, King of the Hill Off-Road. And of course Sahara. Sahara, of course. Sahara. Also, he's also pretty good because he was sitting behind the scenes.
Yep.
Bye, Sahara.
Bye, Sahara.
Okay.